tanana dim dim tanana tanana na na tanana tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tanana tanana na na tanana tanana dim ta dim ta dim dim tanana na dim ta dim dim tanana na nader der dane dana dim ta dere na nader der dane dana dim ta dere na te tagar tak dum gir tak te dan ta da ta da ta da te tagar tak dum gir tak te dan.
Namaskar. Good evening. I'm Shobna Narayan, the Kathak dancer, and I welcome all viewers from all parts of the globe and from within the country to the International Continuing Tradition Dance Festival. Continuing tradition? Yes, that's what it is. It is a continuing tradition of the art of Kathak, a dance, a form that has its origin more than 2,500 years ago and which has passed through many vicissitudes of time and is still there, being carried on from ages to ages through the gurus and the dedicated disciples. Today, we will be presenting 8 of such artists, such dedicated disciples who have passed out of the portals of the Asavri Center of Kathak, an NGO run by me, and which has its roots in 1973 and formally in 79. These girls have shown tremendous dedication in the art of Kathak, who have spent their lives in nurturing this art and propagating it. Not only as good solo dancers themselves or great artists in various genres of art, but also who have set up their centers of training in different parts of the globe and are nurturing fresh young talents, propagating and preserving Kathak. 8 artists who would be presented today are Pooja Shashank Rajiv from Singapore, Sanchita Abrol from Melbourne, Sydney, Christina Dolinina from Lithuania, Anupama Sahai Srivastav from Fremont, Bay Area, USA, Dhriti Swaroop, young artist who has shown tremendous dedication and who is alternating between New York and Delhi, Suparna Singh, Mahima Satsangi, both from Delhi, and Geetika Tiwari from Mumbai. So these 8 artists will be there before you, giving their offering to the Lord through the art of Kathak, of which they are the sadhaks, they are the sevaks, they are the devotees. So please enjoy the show and bless them. Bless all these artists. They need your blessings. They need your encouragement and your involvement for our great, rich heritage to be preserved and carried forward.
Namaskar. I'm very delighted and very excited to present my dance here in this festival, Continuing Traditions. This festival is organized and curated by my guru, Padma Shri Shobna Narayan, and her Asavri Center for Kathak. This is an amazing opportunity to share our passion, to share our dance with the world in this situation. And I'm very grateful for my Guru for giving me this possibility, as well as I'm forever grateful for her for possibility to learn this amazing tradition. Today I would like to share with you the composition Rudrashtakam. The composition is based on poem by 15th century poet, saint poet Tulsidas, and dedicated for Lord Shiva in his Vedic form of God Rudra. It speaks about his deeds, his beauty, his appearance, his unlimitedness. It shows the episode of Sati Dahan, or immolation of Sati, the first wife of Shiva. This topic is very important in today's world, as we all go through a very difficult phase, and we need to have courage, and we need to have power, and we need to have sacrifice for the higher purpose, so that we can overcome the situation. With my biggest gratitude for the Guru, and with all love for all of you, I'm sharing the composition Rudrashtakam.
पति भावगम्यं भजेऽहं भवानीपति भावगम्यं भजेऽहं भवानीपतिं भावगम्यम् कलातीत कल्याण कल्पान्तकारी सदा संजनानंद दाता पुरारी चिदानंद संदोह मोहापहारी प्रदीप प्रदीप प्रभो मम धारी प्रदीप प्रदीप प्रभो मम धारी प्रदीप प्रदीप प्रभो मम धारी ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
छत्रपति जगतपति देवपति महादेव गले मुंडमाल शोभित है चंद्रमा भजत विघ्न हर दावित दुख दूर कर जगित तनन जगित तनन शारद ही करत द्या थोड़ी जन सकरत का जागित दुख गे किदार कली प्रदा बजत सुबह जागित दुख गे तनन गे तनन जागित दुख दा 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 जागित दुख दा
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
Namaskar, my name is Anupama Srivastav and I am a disciple of Padma Shri Guru Shobna Narayan. I've had the privilege of being under Shobna Didi's tutelage since 1979 and have received her love and guidance in pursuing my lifelong passion for Kathak through different phases of my life. A little about myself. I've had an 18-year career as a hardware engineer in the Silicon Valley. I'm a mother of two and the founder and artistic director of InSync Kathak Dance School based in the San Francisco Bay Area in USA. Today, I'm very excited and very happy and blessed to be performing in the Continuing Traditions Festival hosted by Guru Shobna Narayan. Today, I will be presenting a Tarana in Rag Bageshwari. Bageshwari is a late night rag belonging to the Kafi That of Hindustani classical music. Although a Tarana is technically just a pure Nritta piece, devoid of any storytelling, to me it actually speaks volumes. It tells me stories about the resilience, the adaptability and the evolution of our dance form. It gives a message of peace and unity, and it transcends all boundaries of language, words, time and place, and is so universal in its appeal that it evokes a wonderful response from both the artist and the Rasikas alike. Presenting Tarana in Rag Bageshwari.
dancer featured in Continuing Tradition has a history of dedicated learning and perseverance behind her. They have overcome many odds to pursue their passion for Kathak and to train under Guru Shobna Narayan. As a guru, Shobna Didi has laid great emphasis on both the Nrita and Nritya aspects of Kathak. This has led to the disciples developing a well-rounded repertoire, which has led to each of them imbuing their dance with their own unique touch. We would be very grateful for all the audience and viewers to give their support and encouragement to the young dancers of Continuing Tradition.
Namaskar. I, Mahima Sitsangi, and I, Suparna Singh, we are very happy to perform in front of you. This is our short offering to Lord Shiva. We will be performing a Shiv Yajur Mantra, which is a prayer to Lord Shiva. It will be followed by a 16th century verse that us human beings who have been busy in our worldly activities of daily life pray to Lord Shiva that he should absorb human races of all the miseries.
Vidyapati, a 16th century poet, says, "How will I have your benevolence upon me? We humans who have been so engrossed in our daily lives seek your grace, shelter and protection." This is followed by a rhythmic pattern, Tal Dhamar, 14 beats, which is popularly associated with Lord Shiva. The music composition of Vidyapati's prayer is by late Pandit Jwala Prasad Ji.
We, the disciples of Guru Shobna Narayan Ji, seek our Guru's blessings.
Pardon us if we make any mistakes.
Gori Krishna
बेत गेल दिन बन कर इतआन बेत गेल दिन बन कर इतआन उतरब पार कौन विधि उतरब पार कौन विधि विद्यापति सुनु हे महेश धन विद्यापति सुनु हे महेश निर्धन जानी के हरहूँ कलेश निर्धन जानी के हरहूँ कलेश उतरब पार कौन विधि उतरब पार कौन विधि
Thank you.
Namaskar. I, Thriti Swaroop, am very grateful to my Guru, Dr. Shobna Narayan, for giving me this opportunity to perform in this festival. Abhinay Darpan, an ancient Indian treatise, explains Abhinay, the art of expression. It consists of 4 elements: Angikam, expression of the limbs; Vachakam, expression of speech; Aharyam, costume and scenery; and lastly, Satvikam, true expression through emotion. Angikam is the opening shlok of the Abhinay Darpan, written by Acharya Nandakeshwar, and is dedicated to Lord Shiva, one of the 3 main gods in Hindu mythology. Shiva is also worshipped in all forms of Indian classical dance as Nataraj, the cosmic ecstatic dancer. In Angikam, all the 4 Abhinays are symbolized through the personas of Lord Shiva. The entire universe is his body, Angikam. The sound of the universe, his speech, Vachakam. The sun, the moon, the stars are his ornaments, Aharyam. And the entire emotional experience arising from his dance is Satvikam. This piece, although in 3 tal, also consists of the Khand, Mishra and Chatushra jatis. It has been set to music by Madhav Prasad and has been conceptualized and choreographed by my Guru, Dr. Shobna Narayan. Please do forgive me for any errors I may commit in my exuberance to perform my best. Presenting to you, Angikam.
Thai ta thai ta thai ta thai ta thai ta thai tag digin thai ta thai ta thai thai tag digin thai ta thai ta thai thai tag digin Om Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya. सब जग नाचे डिमक डिमक डिम डमरू बाजे थई तत थई सब जग नाचे कर त्रिशूल रंग श्याम मनोहर कर त्रिशूल रंग श्याम मनोहर शेष गंग गंगाधर हर हर शैल सुतामा गौर विराजे शैल सुतामा गौर विराजे सर्प माल नित कंठ विराजे सर्प माल नित कंठ विराजे सर्प माल नित कंठ विराजे जय प्रलयंकर जय जय शंकर 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 जटाजूट शिव गंग विराजे डमरू बाजे डम 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 डम
धागतिट 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 धाधिन धातिट कथा गदिग
तक ता किट तक ता थई ता नाचत शंकर छम 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 छम
ताके ताकिट 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 धागे तिट ता तागे तिट धागिर दा तिट धागे न दा तिट तिट धा तिट तिट दा धागे तिट काता गेंता दा धागे तिट काता गेंता दा धागे तिट काता गेंता दा
हर्षित देव मनुज और किन्नर
धागे न धागे तिट 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 धागे न धागे धागे न धागे तिट धागे न धागे तिट तत् थई ता धुन 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 दिग 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 दई तत् थई ता धुन 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 दिग 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 दई ना दिग 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 थो दिग दिग थो दिग दिग बिदाम ता थई ता
दे कर शम 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 शम
दिन ता तिट कथा गदिगन दिन ता तिट कथा गदिगन नाग तिट करदा तिट धाग तिट गदिगन नाग तिट कतिट धाग न धाग तिट कथा गदिगन दा कतिट धाग न धाग तिट कथा गदिगन दा कतिट धाग न धाग तिट कथा गदिगन दा धागतिटे धागतिटे कृदातिटे धागतिटे गदिगने नागतिटे कतिटे तागने धागतिटे कथा गदिगन दादा आदा आदा कतिटे तागने धागतिटे कथा गदिगन दादा आदा आदा कतिटे तागने धागतिटे कथा गदिगन दादा आदा आदा धागतिटे धागतिटे कृदातिटे धागतिटे गदिगने नागतिटे कतिटे तागने धागतिटे कथा गदिगन दादा आदा आदा कतिटे तागने धागतिटे कथा गदिगन दादा आदा आदा कतिटे तागने धागतिटे कथा गदिगन दादा आदा आदा
तांडव नृत्य करे शिव शंकर तांडव नृत्य करे शिव शंकर
धा दिन ता तिट कथा गदिगन धा दिन ता तिट कथा गदिगन धान धान जगत जगत दिग 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 लग 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 तिट कथा धा 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 गिरदा कत्ता लग तिट धा गिरद धा घेंतरा नदत धा लग तिट धा गिरद धा घेंतरा नदत धा लग तिट धा गिरद धा घेंतरा नदत धा
My pranam to all of you watching the festival today. It is such an honor for me to be able to perform for my guru, who is the most revered and gifted Kathak dancer, Padma Shri Shobna Narayan ji. Shobna Didi has always inspired me from the time I started Kathak with her several decades ago. Today, I will perform a holy piece for you, which will incorporate both the Abhinay and technical aspects of Kathak. I am grateful to the artists of the Singapore Indian Fine Arts Society for having helped me produce the music. The vocals are by Guru Debashish Adhikari ji. On the tabla is Guru Mihir Kundru ji. And last, but certainly not the least, the concept, choreography and parhant is by Guru Ustad Afsar Khan, who is my teacher in Singapore. This piece starts with Radha preparing for Holi. She plays with her friends, but she is on the lookout for Krishna. When Krishna arrives, they play, they fight, they make up, and finally they perform the Ras Leela. I hope you enjoy my performance today. Thank you.
आज बिरज में होली रे रसिया, 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 आज बिरज में होली रे रसिया, आज बिरज में होली रे रसिया। अबीर गुलाल के बादल छाई, अबीर गुलाल के बादल छाई, अबीर गुलाल के बादल छाई, अबीर गुलाल के बादल छाई।
तगिदर तगिदर दादा तिंता तगिदर तगिदर दादा तिंता कत तगिदर तगिदर दादा तगिदर तगिदर दादा तगिदर तगिदर दादा तगिदर तगिदर दादा तिंता तगिदर तगिदर दादा कत तगिदर तगिदर दादा तगिदर तगिदर दादा तगिदर तगिदर दादा तगिदर तगिदर दादा तिंता तगिदर तगिदर दादा तिंता कत तगिदर तगिदर दादा तगिदर तगिदर दादा तगिदर तगिदर दादा।
धूम मचाई रे सब मिल सखियाँ, धूम मचाई रे सब मिल सखियाँ, धूम मचाई रे सब मिल सखियाँ, धूम मचाई रे सब मिल सखियाँ।
ना दिन दिन 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 ता तक दिन तक तक दिन तक तक दिन तक तक दिन तक धीरे धीरे क्रांत 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 धीरे 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 क्रांत धीरे 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 क्रांत धीरे 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 क्रांत तक दिन तक तक दिन तक तक दिन तक तक दिन तक धीरे धीरे क्रांत 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 धीरे 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 क्रांत धीरे 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 क्रांत धीरे 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 क्रांत तक दिन तक तक दिन तक तक दिन तक तक दिन तक धीरे धीरे क्रांत 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 धीरे 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 क्रांत धीरे 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 क्रांत धीरे 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 क्रांत।
धूम मचाई रे सब मिल सखियाँ, धूम मचाई रे सब मिल सखियाँ, होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया, आज बीरज में होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया। श्याम मुरारी होली खेले, श्याम मुरारी होली खेले, श्याम मुरारी होली खेले, श्याम मुरारी होली खेले।
ना दिन दिन 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 ना दिन उजी कत जिजी कत झकत झुकत चपलास चपल उठ हिरत पीरत चित चंद्र बदन नादिक नादिक दिग 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 थो दिग थो दिग 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 त्राम तत थै तत थै तत थै 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 नादिक दिग 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 थो दिग थो दिग 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 त्राम तत थै तत थै तत थै 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 नादिक दिग दिग थो दिग दिग त्राम तत थै तत थै तत थै थै थै।
श्याम मुरारी होली खेले, श्याम मुरारी होली खेले, श्याम मुरारी होली खेले, श्याम मुरारी होली खेले, आज करे बरजोरी रे रसिया, आज करे बरजोरी रसिया, आज करे बरजोरी रे रसिया, आज करे बरजोरी रे रसिया, होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया, होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया, आज बीरज में होली रे रसिया, आज बीरज में होली रे रसिया, होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया, होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया, होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया, आज बीरज में होली रे रसिया, होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया, होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया, आज
Namaskar, I am Sanjita Abral. It's a pleasure to perform today for my very own Ashavari team. Today I'm going to perform a piece, Uma Maheshwara, for which music was composed by Madhav Prasad ji. There are two specific reasons that I've chosen this piece for today's show. One is because as a dancer, we always pay tribute to Shiva, Nataraja, and but my guru, Shobhna Didi, has always taught us to pay equal tribute to the female energies of the universe. And the second reason for this Uma Maheshwara piece today is Didi, my guru, she is the epitome of grace and strength that this piece embodies. So for me, Didi, you are my Uma and Maheshwara, and I dedicate this piece to you.
शिवभ्यायाम नवयौवनाभ्यायाम परस्परशिलष्टः वपुर्धराभ्यायाम नागेन्द्रकन्या वृषकेतनाभ्यायाम नमो नमः शंकर पार्वतीभ्यायाम।
Da kada de kada da din ta dum kita ta kita taka da ding da ding da ding da ding da da ding da ding da ding da ding da da ding da ding da ding da ding da din da kita tak kita taka kita did kita dum kita tak kita taka kita tak kita dum kita tak kita taka kita tak tak dum kita tak kita taka kita gadigana na kita tak kita taka kita keda detta dum kita tak gadigana dan 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 data da keda detta dum kita tak gadigana dan 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 data da keda detta dum kita tak gadigana dan 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 data da
शिभ्यायाम सुंदराभ्याम अदयंत मास्कता हृदुम्भुजाभ्यायाम अशेष लोके के हित शंकराभ्यया नमो नमः शंकर पार्वतीभ्यया नमो नमः शंकर पार्वतीभ्यया नमो नमः शंकर पार्वतीभ्यया
And with that, we come to an end to this evening's program. We hope you enjoyed the evening as much as we did in presenting it. These girls have done beautifully, and it is so heartening to see how the young generation of today, in spite of all the distractions around, are yet so dedicated in the pursuit of preservation, nurturing, and propagating the rich classical art heritage of Kathak. And in this effort, I would like to give my heartfelt gratitude to the Asavri Executive Committee, headed by Harish Narula ji, and to Shruti Gupta Chandra, who has always been by my side, helping, motivating, being an alternate ego, and together we walked hand in hand since 1973. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, all of you who have been here. Thank you, girls. You all did beautifully. God bless you. May you continue to serve dance the way you have been doing. And thank you, my great esteemed members of the Asavri Executive Committee, for your invaluable support and guidance. So, we'll come again very soon with another edition of the International Continuing Tradition Dance Festival. So, till then, Namaskar.